I'd like to practice some problems doing the distributive property. And we've done some of these in class. We've been doing some independent practice with this. And now I just want to go over a couple and give you 3 problems that I want you to do it at home as homework. All right, so this first one, it says 5 times 2 3/5. I want to do it mentally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 5 times 2, and then I'm going to do the 5 times the 3/5. So 5 times 2, and then 5 times 3/5, and then I add those together. So 5 times 2 is 10. I can do that easily. 5 times 3/5, I'm going to put the 5 over 1. 5 times 3 is 15 over 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So A is 15. And the way I did it mentally is I broke it apart. 5 times 2, 5 times 3/5. Okay, let's do B. I have 12 times 2 1/4. Seems like a little bit more difficult until I break it apart. So I'm going to do the 12 times 2, and I that over 1. That's going to give me 12. 12 over 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 24 plus 3 is 27. All right, hopefully you understand how to do those. For your homework, I want you to do this one and bring it on a piece of paper to class, and we'll check it. We'll go over it, see how you did. 2 times 3.6. Now, don't do it on your calculator, and I want you to show me how you broke it apart and did it mentally. Okay? Let's go into number, or D here, I guess. So it says, use the distributive property to rewrite these expressions. Okay, I have 8 times x. I times that. I'm going to get 8x plus, then 8 times 3 is 24. So I just do 8 times every part of what's in the parentheses. On E, I'm going to do 5 times every part in the parentheses. So 5 times 9 is 45, plus 5 times x is 5x. Now, I want you to do F and bring it on a piece of paper, and we'll check it tomorrow. All right, last one. Last few. So K, it says factor each expression. I'm going to try and find the greatest common factor for both 4 and 16. I know with 4, it's only 1, 2, or 4. So does 4 go into 16? It does. So I'm going to put 4 on the outside. I'm going to ask myself, how many times does 4 go into 16? Well, it goes in there 4 times. And then I add it to, how many times does 4 go into 4? 1 time. So just leave me with the x. So K is 4 parentheses 4 plus x. So I'm timesing 4 times the 4 and 4 times the x. It will get me the 16 plus 4x. So I factored it out. Okay? Let's do this one. 7x plus 14. I'm trying to find a multiple of 7 and 42. I actually know 7 goes into 42. So I'm going to put 7 parentheses, goes in there 1. 7 goes in there 7 times. So it leaves me with just 1x. But I don't need to say the 1. I just do x plus 7 times 6 is 42. So this one is 7x plus 6 is the same as 7x plus 42. Okay? It's kind of like what we did up here, but we're going the other way. Alright, I want you to do this one. find a factor and put it into a expression that has a parentheses. All right, so your homework is C, F, M. All right, good luck.